Hello everybody, welcome to the No Stress Forex Academy. I hope you're doing well and having a fantastic trading week ahead. Today I'm going to be bringing to you the best and most profitable Forex strategy that you all need to know. I hope you love this video, and please, if you do, don't forget to smash the like button right below, subscribe, and please, if you're new to the channel, turn on the notification bell to easily get notified each time I drop a new video. Please drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what is stopping you from being profitable in the Forex industry. That being said, let's move on to the chart. Continue to trust the process.
And here we are on the chart. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use the no stress trading strategy to make a lot of money in the Forex industry. Now, the no stress strategy is based on 4 key things. The first thing first, we have to do a top-down analysis. Secondly, we have to spot key levels. Thirdly, we have to identify momentum change at these key levels. And the fourth and most important point is entries, entry techniques. So with these 4 things, we have a killer strategy right in front of us. Let's watch how it works. So now, when we open any chart in front of us, we go straight to the daily time frame. We zoom in so that we can see all the candles so well. Now we pick out our trend line horizontal tool. We are mapping out the highs and lows of previous days candles. So we can decide to trade 2 days. So we are picking the previous day. This was the high of the previous day. This was its low. We have the low of the other day and the high. Right now, since the market price is ranging between the previous 2 days or 3 days, let me say 3 days, I'm going to end here. Right? Okay, good. Let me set up everything. So here it's on the daily time frame, right? Now, after this being done, we scale down to the 4-hour time frame. What are we looking for on the 4-hour time frame? We are looking at the previous day low, the others day low, the previous day high, and the others day high. These are our key levels. Now, from what I know and what I've been trading and making money, and I believe it's going to work for you, is this: the lows and highs of previous days are key levels in the market that price has to react to. That's 100%. Now let's look at how this works. Here we have the lows and the highs of 2 days back, right? What are we looking for? Now the market price is actually on our key level. That's a previous day high, right? So now we are looking for the market to give us a rejection either at this key level or at the next key level. So if the market gives us a sell here, we are taking the sell, and our first TP is going to be here. The second TP goes down here. But if the market rejects this area, breaks above, we are waiting for the market to give us a rejection here. If we don't have a rejection here, then we are not taking the trade. We only need to go back to the daily time frame and look for more key levels. We have another one right over here, and then we have this, we have this. So we scale back down to the 4-hour time frame and look at these levels. Look at those levels. These are the key levels you are waiting for the market to hit, and then it's either we are selling here or we have to be selling here, and then we have these other 2 levels above here. We don't just wait for the market to hit these key levels and we start selling like idiots. No, we know exactly what we're looking for in the Forex market to be able to predict the market direction, right? So When the market price hit these levels, we patiently wait for momentum change. That's our third point, right? And then we take our trades, right? Okay, that been done on the USD JPY. We're going to go down to an active trade at 2 using the same strategy. This is Euro USD, and let's do this together so you see why I had to take this trade, why I had to give this signal to my team, and we are making a lot of money. Look at this. This is on the daily time frame right here. We have this on the daily time frame, right? So what we did was this: we had to zoom in a little to be able to see the candles very well. We pick out our horizontal trend line tool. We mapped out this area before. We had this area before, we had this area too. Then for the highs, we had this high right here, we had this, and then we had this, right? This one was another important level. So we have these key levels on our chart on the daily time frame. We scale down to the 4-hour time frame. Look at exactly what the market did here. We were looking for the market to come either here for us to buy. We didn't have that opportunity. The market gave us an opportunity to buy at this key level. What is this? A momentum change, right? Good. When we had this, I had to use our strategy to be able to have the sniper entry. I gave this signal actively yesterday to my team, and we are actually making a lot of money. So now we have this level here, right? We took our entries here. The market went up to this level, came back to give us another rejection at the same key level, and then boom, to the upside. We're waiting to take TPs at these 3 levels, but it's a swing trade for us, so we do not take TP here. So we are still waiting for the market to give us an actual good TP right over here. So the fourth thing when it comes to the no stress strategy is this: we have what we consider to enter our trades after having a confirmation. All this is going to be discussed in the next class. Please don't forget to smash the like button right below, subscribe, and if you are new to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop a new video, you'll be the first to make advantage of it. Talking about our entry techniques, this will be explained in the next video. So guys, if you want to know how we have our sniper entries, or how we do consider, or what we do to have sniper entries, please make sure you watch the next video right after this. Thank you, and have a profitable trading week.